How to fix Facebook login approval needed problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Facebook login approval needed error. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right in. So locate your Facebook app and then open it up. So to fix your login approval needed pop-up or problem, you'll need to use a trusted device or network to approve the login. So this is due to a security feature which is available or is there to protect your account from any unauthorized logins. So to fix this, the first thing that you'll need to do is use a trusted device. Log in from the phone or a computer you used most recently or from a familiar Wi-Fi network. So you can just go to your home network or use your phone or laptop, whichever you use the most. Also, you can try logging in via a different method. So if you're using the app, you can go ahead and open up your Google Chrome. You can use any other website, any other web browser, and search for facebook.com and just go ahead and log in into your account on the browser. So you can do that. Also, what you can do is you can switch to mobile data if your Wi-Fi seems to be causing the problem. So swipe down, turn on your mobile data, turn off your Wi-Fi, and then and then the problem should be fixed. And those are the basic fixes for it. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.